In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a GIF in Miro. We'll start on the Miro website. Open your browser, head to Miro.com, and go to your dashboard. This is the home base where all your boards live. If you're already signed in, you'll see your recent boards and a few options to create something new. That's exactly what we want. Create a fresh space by selecting Create New. This sets up a blank canvas so you can focus on just the content you're about to add. When the options appear, choose Board. A new board opens and you'll see the main editing area with a toolbar running along the left side. Next, look to that left-hand toolbar for the plus icon. This icon opens the content menu, which is where you'll find tools to add files, images, and more. Click the plus icon to expand the panel. You might see a lot of options here depending on your setup, so don't worry if it looks busy. Now scroll down within that panel until you find the upload option. Scrolling is important because upload can sit further down in the list, especially if you have other apps or widgets installed. Once you see upload, go ahead and click it. This tells Miro that you want to bring in a file from somewhere else. In the upload choices, select My Device. This opens your computer's file picker so you can browse your folders. Navigate to the location where your GIF is saved. A quick tip here, make sure the file really is a .gif format, since other image types won't animate. If you have multiple GIFs, you can select the one you want to place on this board. With the file highlighted, click Open. Miro will upload the GIF and place it on your board. You should see it appear right away, and animated GIFs typically start playing automatically in the canvas. If the image appears but doesn't animate, double check that it's a true GIF and not a static image with a different extension. Very large files can take a moment to load, so give it a second if your connection is slow or the file size is big. That's the entire process. Go to Miro, create a new board, open the left toolbar, scroll to upload, choose My Device, and pick your GIF. From here, you're ready to use the GIF in your collaboration, presentation, or brainstorming session. Keeping your GIFs reasonably sized will help your board stay responsive, and organizing your files beforehand makes them easier to find in the file picker. You're all set to bring a little motion and personality to your Miro boards.